The OnePlus 9R is a 5G enabled phone. It is available in lake blue and carbon black colors. The phone is available in two variants, 8GB RAM plus 128GB internal storage and 12GB RAM plus 256GB internal storage. OnePlus 9R has a 6.55-inch fluid AMOLED display with 120Hz refresh rate for an immersive viewing experience. The phone comes with a quad rear camera setup, including a 48-megapixel main camera, 16-megapixel ultra-wide-angle camera, 5-megapixel macro camera, and a 2-megapixel monochrome camera. It also features a 16-megapixel front camera. Powered by Oxygen OS based on Android 11 operating system with Qualcomm Snapdragon 870 5G processor and Qualcomm Adreno 650 GPU. This phone gives a smooth performance during games and video playback. The phone runs on a 4500 mAh battery with 65-watt warp charging capability. The box includes handset, power adapter, cable, quick guide, welcome letter, important notes, logo stickers, transparent case, protector and card pin. This product comes with standard brand warranty. Pay online using debit or credit card and net banking. For EMI options, replacement policy and further information, visit the product detail page.
Presenting the iQOO 7 Legend smartphone with legendary track design engineered not only for giving a premium look but also to please your hands. This smartphone is available in Legend color. The iQOO 7 is available in two variants to choose from, 8GB RAM plus 128GB storage and 12GB RAM plus 256GB storage. It has dual SIM option, so you can carry a single phone around instead of two. This 6.62-inch smartphone features 120Hz AMOLED display with 1300 peak brightness along with 300Hz touch sampling rate for an enhanced visual and user experience. It also has a 4096 mm² largest vapor chamber liquid cooling system to get rid of heat quickly and evenly. The iQOO 7 smartphone has triple rear camera and features a 48-megapixel OIS main camera with Sony IMX598 sensor to capture your memories in high definition. Powered by Qualcomm Snapdragon 888 5G mobile platform with Adreno 660 GPU, this phone makes downloading, gaming as well as browsing very smooth. With the help of 66-watt flash charge technology, you can charge the 4000 mAh battery from 0 to 100% in just 22 minutes. The box includes smartphone with pre-applied screen protector, translucent case, Type-C cable, power adapter, SIM tray ejector, quick start guide, safety information. This product comes with standard brand warranty. Pay online using debit or credit card and net banking. For EMI options, replacement policy and further information, visit the product detail page.
Presenting Vivo Y21. This smartphone comes in two color variants of Diamond Glow and Midnight Blue. The phone is available in two size variants of 4GB RAM with 64GB storage and 4GB RAM with 128GB storage. It has dual nano SIM with 4G connections on dual standby. The 6.51-inch HD Plus display with 1600 by 720 pixels resolution gives you an immersive viewing experience. You can unlock your phone in one seamless motion with a side power button that is also a robust fingerprint scanner. Alternatively, use Face Wake whenever needed in a blink of an eye. The 13-megapixel with 2-megapixel rear camera and 8-megapixel selfie camera lets you to capture all the moments on the go. This smartphone is powered by FunTouch OS 11.1 operating system, which is based on Android 11 with MediaTek Helio P35 octa-core processor. The 5000 mAh lithium polymer battery with 18-watt fast charging will let you use your phone for longer. The box includes model, documentation, USB cable, charger, card eject tool, phone case and protective film which is applied.
The Samsung Galaxy S21 is a 5G enabled phone. It is available in Phantom Grey, Phantom Violet and Phantom White colors. The phone comes with an 8GB RAM that allows for seamless multitasking and is available in two memory variants to choose from, 128GB and 256GB. It comes with dual SIM. Both slots support 5G on dual standby. Samsung Galaxy S21 has a 6.2-inch Full HD Plus Dynamic AMOLED 2X display for an immersive viewing experience. With 2400 by 1080 pixels resolution, 421 ppi and 16 million colors, the phone delivers vivid colors and clarity. The Galaxy S21 comes with a 64-megapixel triple rear camera setup. It also features a 10-megapixel front dual-pixel camera. Powered by Android 5 V10.0 operating system with 2.9 GHz and below 2100 octa-core processor. This phone makes downloading as well as browsing very smooth. The phone comes with a 4000 mAh battery. This product comes with standard brand warranty. For EMI options, refer to product details page. Pay online using debit or credit card and net banking. For return or replacement policy, refer to product details page. For further information, visit the product details.